Good afternoon, viewers. I am Shirish Dongre, publishers of Machine Tool World and Cutting Tool World. We have pleasure and honor to speak with Mr. Vidhu Nevatia, Director, ZECHA Precision Tools Limited. Vidhu sir, thank you so much for sparing your time. I would like to ask, how was the journey of ZECHA India right from the beginning?
Thank you, Shirish. ZECA's journey started in 1980. We were the first manufacturer of micro tools, and our origins lie in supplies to the watch industry, which at that time was basically HMT watches, which was a very beloved brand of India. We simultaneously also got involved with the electronics industry for circuit board drilling, and that sustained us for a couple of decades. And somewhere in the late 90s, we were able to indigenize one of the new private sector watch company,
Mhm.
Swiss Tools, into indigenous tools, which gave us the confidence to move into full metal cutting. And since the late 90s, we have evolved into metal cutting and now into all kinds of exotic materials, metals, and our strengths lie in micro and high performance and difficult materials.
Uh, what has been displayed here for the industry by ZECA in MTEX 2023?
Thank you for that question, Shirish. In the last 4 or 5 years, ZECA India has been producing a lot of lines for the mold and die industry. So, for finishing and super fine finishing from 0.1 millimeter end mills up to 12 millimeter roughing end mills, for hard materials up to 67 HRC, also for alloys as well as multi-purpose tools which work on titanium, aluminium and copper equally well. And our speciality is the diamond coating technologies for machining of graphite. So we are a one-stop solution now for the mold and die industry, uh, providing every solution to every tool room in the country. This is one of our strengths going forward, and an area where our sales organization is concentrating. We have benchmarked against the best names in this line worldwide and have been performing very favorably in these last 2 and 3 years of testing and and resulting in good orders.
Vidhi sir, what are the new emerging trends you are observing in the industry and how ZECA is in line with those trends?
As I mentioned earlier, designing tools for difficult materials has been one of our strengths. As we move forward into machining of medical components, titaniums, aerospace alloys, nuclear and defense related materials, or even sandwich materials that are used in 3C industry, we are always innovating tool geometries, designs, and tolerances to keep ahead of the curve, or at least stay with the curve that the customer is today demanding across applications, whether it be watch, jewelry, 3C industry, medical devices, dental. Uh, the wide variety of materials basically drives our innovation.
Vidhi sir, lastly, how do you foresee the future of cutting tool industry and how ZECA is future ready?
We have, of course, had a little bit of a break due to COVID in the last 2 years, but we just completed a new 30,000 square foot facility where both the existing plants will be consolidated and one of the plants will be further expanded, um, allowing us something between 50 and 60,000 square feet at one location, which will be nearly triple the space that we were currently occupying. We would like to aggressively stay with the Indian market where we see the next 15-20 years a lot of manufacturing must come in, not just for our domestic market, but under the Make in India and the Atmanirbhar policies of the government. A lot of uh, foreign investment is also expected in the manufacturing sector. And the aim is to bring our share of GDP to 25%, which is the stated goal of the Ministry of uh, Heavy Industries and the government. So we are actively engaged in providing the fundamental support to all manufacturing by providing the best cutting tools and enabling the cutting tool industry to support all the growth that we expect to see ahead.
So thank you so much, Vidhu sir, for giving us the insight about. And we wish all the best for this show to you. Thank you for sparing a valuable time of yours.
You're most welcome, Shirish. I wish Divya Media great success. All your recent launches for the cutting tool will really help empower our industry, and it will be great to have partners like you as part of the cutting tool growth in future.
Thank you. Sir. Thank you.
Thank you.